Clara lives in a small city by the sea. She is 28 years old. She has a husband. His name is Daniel. Daniel is a science teacher at the school. He's kind and quiet. Every morning, he makes coffee for Clara. Every night, they eat dinner together. They watch movies on the sofa. Clara loves Daniel, but she has a secret. Clara works in a flower shop called Sunshine Flowers. She loves her job. She makes bouquets with roses, tulips, and daisies. Next to her shop, there is an art studio. A man works there. His name is Elias. Elias is a painter. He has blue hair and a big smile. He paints pictures of the ocean and trees. One rainy Tuesday, Clara sees Elias outside. He has no umbrella. "Come inside," says Clara. Elias enters the flower shop. "Thank you," he says. He gives Clara a small painting of a red rose. "This is for you," he says. Clara smiles. "It's beautiful." That night, Daniel cooks pasta for dinner. "How was your day?" he asks. "Good," says Clara. She doesn't talk about Elias. She feels happy about the painting. But she feels sad too. She loves Daniel, but she likes Elias. Her heart is confused. Micro cliffhanger? Will Clara see Elias again? Now Clara visits Elias every Friday. She brings him yellow daisies. Elias paints her picture. "Sit here, please," he says. Clara sits near the window. Elias paints for 1 hour. They talk and laugh. "You are special, Clara," says Elias. Clara has 2 lives. Life with Daniel. They eat pizza. They walk on the beach. Daniel says, "I love you, Clara." He talks about having a baby. Life with Elias. She drinks tea in his studio. They listen to music. Elias says, "Your eyes are like the sky." Clara is scared. This is wrong, she thinks, but she cannot stop. She hides Elias's paintings in a box under her bed. One night, Daniel asks, "Clara, are you sad? You don't talk much." Clara answers fast, "No, I'm just tired from work." But she is not tired. She is afraid. Daniel kisses her head. "Sleep well," he says. The next day, Elias gives Clara a new painting. It shows 2 hands holding 1 heart. "This is my heart," says Elias. "It is for you." Clara cries. "I can't take this," she says. She runs back to the flower shop. Micro cliffhanger. Does Daniel find the paintings? One stormy night, Elias calls Clara. "Please come to the studio. I have a surprise." Clara is nervous. "I can't," she says. But Elias is sad. "Just for 5 minutes," he says. Clara drives to the studio. The rain is heavy. The road is dark and wet. Suddenly, crash! A big truck hits her car. Glass breaks. Clara's head hurts. Everything is black. Clara wakes up in a white room. It is the hospital. Daniel is there. He holds her hand. His eyes are red. "Clara, you are alive. I was so scared," he says. Clara cries, "I'm sorry, Daniel. I was going to..." Then the door opens. Elias runs in. He is wet from the rain. "Clara, are you okay?" He shouts. He takes her hand. Daniel looks at Elias. He looks at their hands. He understands everything. "Who is this?" Daniel asks. His voice is cold. Clara whispers, "This is Elias." I like him. Daniel's face is angry and sad. Choose, Clara. Me or Elias. Now. Micro cliffhanger. What will Clara choose? Clara goes home with Daniel. But the house is quiet. No more I love you. No more beach walks. Daniel sleeps on the sofa. 1 week later, a letter arrives. It is from Elias. Come to the studio. I have a gift for you, please. Clara goes. Elias gives her a big painting. It is Clara's face, but with two sides. The left side smiles. It is pink and yellow. This is Clara with Daniel. The right side cries. It is blue and gray. This is Clara with Elias. This is you, says Elias. You are two women. Choose one. Choose me? Door opens. Daniel is there. He sees the painting. He sees Elias holding Clara's hand. So, you choose Elias? Daniel says quietly. Goodbye, Clara. Clara shouts, Wait! I love you, Daniel. But Daniel leaves. He doesn't look back. Clara looks at the painting. She touches the crying side. This is how I feel, she thinks. She feels empty. I don't know who I am, she cries to Elias. Elias says, Stay with me. I love you. But Clara runs away. Micro cliffhanger. Can Clara find happiness? Clara sits alone in her house for 3 days. She thinks, I hurt Daniel. I hurt Elias. I hurt myself. I need to fix my heart. She looks at Elias's painting. The two faces stare at her. Clara has an idea. She takes a paintbrush and red paint. She paints one new face over the two faces. A strong face. A happy face. This is the real Clara. The next morning, Clara visits Elias's studio. She gives him the changed painting. I choose me, Elias. Goodbye. Then she finds Daniel at the school. I'm sorry, Daniel. You are a good man. But I need to find May. Clara moves to a small blue apartment. She works at the flower shop. She learns to paint. She makes art about the sea and flowers. 1 year later, Daniel is happy with Lena, a kind teacher. Elias paints beautiful new pictures of the mountains. Clara has her first art show. Her paintings are strong and colorful. She smiles. She is free.